Hi everyone, so for today's video I have an unboxing of Lisa's limited edition photo book for Lalisa. And I just want to say, like, this is so much bigger than I was expecting it to be. I thought if anything it would probably be the same size as the photo book for the 4+1 photo book, but this is actually a little bit bigger, so I have no idea how I'm gonna store this on my shelf. Right, but I did pre-order mine from K-Town for You, and I did get the pre-order benefit, which I think is it's just one photo card, and there were 3 different types. There is the card that I got. I don't know if I'm going to try and collect the other 2, but I do at least have the one. But I'm going to go ahead and get right into this. I think everything, like all the Polaroid stuff, the Polaroids are in this pouch, so I'm going to go through that last. And I just realized there is another picture like inside the top cover. I couldn't believe how big the box this came in was, especially because it was only one thing in there. And then the bottom has another picture on the inside, and the back just says Lalisa. Oh, so these are the, like, I think the accordion postcards. I was not expecting this to be this big. I'm like really struggling to get everything in frame. I can't believe how big this is. Alright, so now we're gonna go through the photo book, which I have seen some of the pictures, but I've tried to avoid as much as I possibly can. But it does look like it is a pretty big photo book. I honestly don't know how I feel about the fact that they keep releasing limited edition photo books for Blackpink. Oh, that's really cool. It's like, I like that we're getting more, especially like the music, more pictures, and especially like the music video pictures. Like for that album, the photo book, I liked the limited edition, like anniversary photo book, more than any of the ones that came with like the actual versions of the album. But it is also like kind of annoying to have another thing to buy like months after the initial release. But honestly, like, I really love all of these pictures, so I'm kind of glad we did get something else. Then it's also like Lisa has released her own photo book the past 2 years, so if she's going to do that again this year, she could have just released these pictures for that. But then I'm not going to complain if we get like a second Lisa photo book this year. I'm really glad we got more of the pictures from that set on the music video. It's so hard to get this whole thing in frame. Yeah, I'm actually like really surprised this is even bigger than the photo book, the 4+1 photo book was, because that was already so big. I'm really glad we got more pictures in this section. There's another about pages. I really like that they did this. I think that's really cool. That way you get like an even bigger picture. And I'm glad I did buy this photo book instead of getting the LP. And I'm glad we finally got these pictures. And I'm pretty sure one of like the videos she posted on her YouTube channel, like she was taking these pictures, but we never ended up seeing them. So I'm glad we at least finally got them. And I'm glad we got more of these pictures too. I'll see if they're gonna keep doing limited edition photo books. I'm glad we're at least getting like music videos that have pictures in them, and like extra pictures from the teasers that we haven't seen. Because we really didn't get any other pictures in this outfit, so I'm glad we're finally getting some more of them. So like I would be like really kind of annoyed if this photo book was all just pictures from like the same photo shoot that she did for like the regular photo book versions. But I do really like all of the pictures in here. And I do like that it's at least like a really big photo book too. Like there's a lot of pages. Back of the photo book just has an L on it, and on the side also just says lalisa. I'm glad they at least did stick with the black and gold that they did for the regular album versions, so it all like fits nicely together. And then I think I just have like, I think it was like this 5 Polaroids. There is the first one. I do wish we would have gotten like actual photo cards instead of just the Polaroids. I think this one was probably my favorite one. And there is the last one. So I didn't think you got 5 with it. I thought it was like 3 for some reason. I know there was a limited set of Polaroids too that you got, like there was only 300 of them, which I definitely wasn't expecting to get one of those, so I'm not surprised that I didn't. But I do like, if they're gonna keep doing the limited photo books, I kind of hope they stop doing like the limited cards, like the limited rare gold cards that they did for the actual album. So it's like a little annoying as a collector to not be able to get everything because they're so limited, and Blackpink is like such a big group, and Lisa is a very popular member, so it's like impossible to get those cards. But I do hope they kind of stop with the limited stuff. Alright, but that was everything for my unboxing of Lisa's limited edition photo book for lalisa. Thank you for watching. Bye.